In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Safelist campaign. A Safelist campaign is a series of text and HTML ads based on a common theme. The theme can be a splash page or offer page that the reader is ultimately led to. A campaign can have an unlimited number of text or HTML ads. Each text or HTML ad can be tracked individually. This is great for split testing to see which ad performs better. In order to create a Safelist campaign, click on the Safelist menu item on the left hand side, and that will bring up all of the Safelist functionality within Extremesurfteam. What we want to do is we want to look at my Safelist campaigns, and this will bring up a list of all of the campaigns that I have created. What we want to do is we want to create a new campaign. So you would click on the Add Campaign link, put in a title. In this case, it's another 10K challenge campaign. We'll call this number 2. You could put in a description for this campaign. The link URL is the link of the offer page that this campaign will ultimately point all of your messages to. There is only one per campaign, and you'd have to change it if you want to change the link. So in this particular case, we're going to use one of our splash pages that we've created using the Splash Page Studio. So I'll go to Splash Pages on the left hand side, select My Splash Pages, and it will give me a list of all the splash pages that I've created. The one that I am interested in is called a 10K Challenge Income Opportunity for Access Opt-in type. That means that this particular splash page, there is a instant access button that you can click and it brings you directly to the offer. So what we're going to do is make a copy of this link, go back to our Safelists, my Safelist campaigns, and we're going to create that Safelist again. And we then paste the link URL. We want to make this active, and then we would save the campaign. Okay, so if you do have a same Safelist name title, it will not accept it. So we'll say this number 2. Okay, we'll save that, and then we should see it on our list, and there it is there. It's showing here 0 emails or 0 messages. If you want to add either a text message or an HTML message, you would click on this link, and it brings you then to a page that would show the messages that you have for this campaign. Obviously we have none, so we're going to create one. We'll say we want to create a text message. Click on the text message link, and I've already created a subject for this, and we will add it in here. And I've already created a email message. We'll paste that in there. And you can add notes to this. If you're doing split testing, you might want to keep track of what it is that you've changed between different text messages, and you could put that in here. This is not seen by anyone but yourself. Once you're satisfied with your message, you click Save My Safelist Message. And there it is. It tells you what format it is. It will show you how many hits this text ad message is going to get, and when the last time that you actually submitted this text ad to a safe list. If you want to view your message, you can click here, and that brings up a view of the message. And notice that there is a special link. It's cloaked, and this link is linked specifically to this message. So anyone who clicks on that link will go to your offer, and it'll be recorded. Now, if we wanted to create a HTML message, you would click on the Add an HTML Message link here, and that brings up a HTML editor, which is actually very sophisticated. We're not going to create one, but it's basically self-explanatory. If you want to copy and paste from another HTML page in here, you just go to Source and then copy and paste in here. If you want to view your HTML, you would click that, and it would actually show it. Right now, there's nothing there, but that would display your message. If you want to show a full screen, you would maximize this, and normally if there was something, there you go, it brings it up as in a maximize. You can toggle back to minimize again, and once you're satisfied, you would save it, and it would show on your list. And that concludes the tutorial on how to create a safe list campaign.